Welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari Biswas, and today I'm going to teach you the dance tutorial of 3 easy dance moves for beginners. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's your right hand is on forehead and left hand is do like me, okay? Along with your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And together 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 4. Next step. Okay, hands do like me and legs same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, together 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Next step. Just put your hand on your waist and standing like me. Okay? And just push your knee, just bend your knee on front and jump off standing on your heel. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, along with hand. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now next step is just same. Put your hand on your waist and just do like me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Hope you have enjoyed this dance tutorial of 3 easy dance moves for beginners. So please hit the like button and comment me in the below comment section. Thanks for watching.